Jacked up that opening day. He pitched against the Mets on opening day in Washington.
Herrera hits one out to right center field. Back in the gap goes Hamilton to the track. Can't get it. It bounces off the wall, stays in play. Herrera's going to try for three. The relay throw by Phillips to third. Gets away. It rolls toward the dugout, but Herrera is going to stay at third base. Thought for a moment he might try it with two outs, but he saw Cueto backing up and decided not to. It's a triple for Dilson Herrera, his first of the year.